Imagine this. It's a freezing winter morning. You scramble for your keys, dreading the moment you turn the ignition. Will your SUV roar confidently to life or stubbornly refuse to budge, just when reliability matters most? We're diving deep into the world of dependability. Not what the marketing departments tell you, but raw, proven numbers. Breakdown statistics, owner satisfaction surveys, and independent reliability studies. If you're shopping for an SUV in 2025, your next purchase could decide if you're left stranded on a rainy night or smiling on the side of the road as your neighbors wrestle with the latest recall drama. Welcome to AutoConcept. This is the definitive ranking of the 8 most reliable SUVs you can buy in 2025, with every claim backed by hard, verifiable data, not hype. Setting the benchmark. What does reliability really mean for a modern SUV? Forget about showroom glitz and tech overload. We look at vehicles that go the farthest with the fewest problems, cost the least to maintain, and keep families safe, dry, and on the move for years, if not decades. Our analysis combines the 2025 ADAC Pannon statistic, covering millions of roadside breakdowns, the 2V Report 2025, an exhaustive audit of mechanical defects across millions of vehicles, Consumer Reports reliability scores reflecting thousands of real owner experiences, J.D. Power vehicle dependability survey data, and long-term resale market trends. Every model in our list scores top marks in at least 3 major international sources for real-world long-term durability, not just new car warranty claims. Get ready to meet the SUVs that refuse to die, even as trends and technologies change around them. Toyota RAV4, the hybrid workhorse. Let's start with a legend, the Toyota RAV4. It's become synonymous with hybrid efficiency and robust engineering since the late 1990s, and today, few vehicles can rival its endurance or owner satisfaction. For 2025, the RAV4 continues with a proven 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain, celebrating Toyota's dedication to long-term value over fleeting tech trends. Reliability ratings. The RAV4 ranks number 1 overall in the UK Driver Power Owner Satisfaction Survey and sits atop ADAC and J.D. Power reliability tables. Engineering strengths. The RAV4's naturally aspirated engine, mated to Toyota's continually refined hybrid system, minimizes wear and costly repairs. There's no turbo, no direct injection pump to fail, and the electric drive system is robust, with minimal battery degradation even after over 150,000 miles. Real-world endurance. Many RAV4 hybrids from previous generations have exceeded 250,000 miles with original major components. This remains true in 2025, with owner forums showing reports of minimal unscheduled maintenance, even in tough fleet use. Weaknesses. The infotainment unit and 12-volt battery caused minor headaches in recent plug-in hybrid models. However, Toyota's global recall network ensures rapid fixes, and serious, immobilizing engine failures are almost unheard of. The RAV4 wins for drivers who plan to keep a car for the long haul, want predictable maintenance, and value strong resale, over 68% value known to be retained after 5 years. Mazda CX-5, silent longevity. Next, the Mazda CX-5. More than just a stylish family SUV, the CX-5 has quietly established itself as one of the most robust and long-lived crossovers on the global market. Reliability results. The CX-5 lands high on ADAC, J.D. Power, and Consumer Reports charts, especially for models built from 2017 onwards. 2025 continues with the well-proven Skyactiv platform. Engineering insights. Mazda's philosophy focuses on simplicity. No unnecessary forced induction, conservative transmission tuning, and excellent underbody rust protection. The naturally aspirated gasoline engines remain among the industry's most reliable, while even the turbo diesels perform well if serviced on schedule. Owner experience. Real-world reports cite minimal non-wear repairs, even at 100,000 miles. The rare issues tend to be minor electrical faults, not costly powertrain replacements. Market strength. With above-average value retention and a reputation for quiet, fuss-free interiors, the CX-5 is the go-to choice for buyers who want to skip the repair shop entirely. With consistently strong reliability numbers across Europe and North America, the CX-5 stands out as the SUV for drivers who want a buy-and-forget experience with minimum drama. Subaru Forester, the resilient explorer. If ever an SUV embodied the phrase "built to last," it's the Subaru Forester. For 2025, Subaru keeps the winning formula: boxer engine, symmetrical all-wheel drive, and a platform proven in some of the harshest climates on Earth. Global endorsements. The Forester clinches top honors in Consumer Reports' long-term dependability studies and is a regular leader in ADAC and 2V reliability rankings. Why it endures. Subaru's engines are designed for steady, unforced operation, low cylinder pressures, and enduring reliability. The CVT gearbox, often a weak link in other brands, benefits from ongoing incremental improvements, reflected in real-world longevity reports. Owner reports. Forums fill with stories of 15-year-old Foresters slogging through harsh winters with only basic preventative maintenance. The 2025 model's EyeSight Safety Suite brings long-term peace of mind, with low reported rates of false alarms or costly electronics failures. Potential downsides. Some owners note minor oil consumption, but major breakdowns are exceedingly rare, and rust prevention has improved annually. The Forester is engineered for those who prioritize safety, simplicity, and long-term savings over short-term thrills. Absolutely ideal for families in snow-prone regions or adventure seekers who need genuine dependability. Honda CR-V, the everyday hero. Another icon of SUV durability, the Honda CR-V rounds out the upper half of our list. Known for its blend of everyday usability, family-friendly space, and technical robustness, the newest CR-V continues Honda's tradition of engineering excellence. Reliability, leadership. The 2025 CR-V secures top spots in both European and North American surveys, scoring above average for all major systems: engine, transmission, electrics, and build quality. Its contribution is a major reason Honda consistently places in the top 5 brands for overall reliability. Engineering choices. Honda's turbocharged Earth Dreams engine pairs well with a tried-and-tested CVT, and the automaker avoids bleeding-edge features that compromise longevity. The hybrid system offered in 2025 is also among the segment's least problematic. Real-world endurance. Tens of thousands of CR-Vs routinely clear 200,000 miles with only fluid changes, brake pads, and occasional suspension bushings. Practical strengths. The interior hardware, from HVAC controls to seat mechanisms, are known for outlasting many premium rivals. Few vehicles are as common in real-world high-mileage fleet use. If you're seeking a fuss-free family SUV that won't let you down, the CR-V is the universal answer, capable of withstanding years of kids, dogs, and commutes without complaint. Hyundai Tucson, the quiet contender. For those wanting a budget-friendly but long-lasting SUV, the 2025 Hyundai Tucson is hard to ignore. Hyundai's relentless focus on reliability improvement is now paying off in both data and dealer showrooms. Reliability gains. Modern Tucsons rank well in both TÜV Report and ADAC Pan statistic reviews, frequently outperforming more expensive competitors when it comes to unscheduled repairs and cost of ownership. Mechanical simplicity. Like its Japanese peers, the Tucson has avoided complex high-strung turbocharging in core variants, relying on naturally aspirated engines and proven hybrids with robust battery warranties. Warranty confidence. A standout 7-year manufacturer's warranty in Europe gives buyers peace of mind, and data shows most owners never need to claim on major components. Downsides. Cabin materials might not impress luxury shoppers, but what's under the skin simply lasts, perfect for buyers prioritizing reliability and low running costs over flash. Whether as a used buy or a brand new workhorse, the Tucson is quickly earning legendary status among fleet operators and value seekers alike. Lexus RX, silent strength and lasting comfort. For those who crave true luxury without sacrificing peace of mind, the Lexus RX stands in a league of its own. For more than 2 decades, the RX has been a benchmark for comfort, premium features, and most importantly, long-term reliability. So how does the 2025 model hold up when scrutinized by the industry's harshest metrics? Durability and dealer data. The RX secures a solid reputation in J.D. Power's 2025 ranking, scoring well for both short and long-term reliability. While Consumer Reports projects average reliability for the 2025 model year, this prediction is built on an unbroken streak of reliability going back years. Lexus also maintains above-average scores in the powertrain and hybrid system categories, while critical recalls are rare and quickly resolved. Engineering advantages. The RX features a carefully tuned hybrid or gasoline powertrain, a robust automatic gearbox, and a chassis designed for long-term silence and ride quality. Crucially, their hybrid batteries and power electronics lead the industry in documented longevity, proven by countless taxis and private cars running well over 300,000 kilometers with only routine maintenance. Ownership realities. Owners consistently praise the RX for its low maintenance demands and minimal unscheduled repairs, supported by Lexus's renowned global service network. The 2025 RX continues to deliver above-class warranty coverage with hybrid system coverage up to 8 years or 100,000 miles and a 6-year powertrain warranty. For buyers wanting luxury that doesn't come at the cost of sleepless nights or expensive repairs, few vehicles measure up to the RX's long-term value proposition. Toyota 4Runner, the timeless tank. With SUVs, reputation and reliability don't always go hand in hand, but the Toyota 4Runner, year after year, lives up to both labels. In 2025, the 6th-generation 4Runner gets updates and a new engine, but the core mission remains unchanged. Build a machine that survives everything life throws at it. Reliability, pedigree. The previous Gen 4Runners' naturally aspirated 6-cylinder engines built a cult following for bulletproof durability. The 2025 update introduces a turbocharged 4-cylinder, which, if properly maintained, is already showing promise with above-average reliability scores. According to Consumer Reports and owner forums, major mechanical faults remain rare for the 4Runner line. Real-world usage. The 4Runner's body-on-frame construction is engineered for longevity, making it a favorite for fleets, off-roaders, and those living in demanding climates. Many examples exceed 250,000 miles with the original transmission and drivetrain in place. Even on the new model, oil changes and scheduled maintenance remain straightforward, reducing long-term costs. Known weaknesses. Early units of the new turbo engine seem sensitive to oil change intervals, but Toyota's global support ecosystem quickly addresses minor electronic recall issues. Depreciation and practicality. High resale confidence is a 4Runner trademark. These vehicles consistently command some of the best used values among any SUV, regardless of mileage. For adventure seekers and those needing an SUV that just won't quit, the 4Runner is as close as it gets to buying peace of mind. Kia Sportage, the modern-day marathoner. The Kia Sportage has quietly become one of the most popular compact SUVs globally, and for good reason. Kia's well-known 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty and a relentless push to fix past weak points have made the new Sportage a champion for reliability and value. Data-driven dependability. The 2025 Sportage achieved a strong showing in the 2024 Driver Power Owner Satisfaction Survey, placing 11th overall and earning specific praise for reliability and customer satisfaction. J.D. Power and Consumer Reports highlight the Sportage as one of the best in the segment for problem-free ownership in its first 5 years. Engineering strategy. Kia opts for proven engine and transmission options in the core models, gentle, naturally aspirated engines, and practical, efficient hybrid powertrains. The brand's rigorous quality checks are reflected in the remarkably few recalls and warranty claims for recent model years. Euro NCAP safety scores are stellar, underscoring the robust engineering beneath the sleek skin. Ownership. Experience. Sportage buyers report very few electronic glitches, and day-to-day running costs are among the lowest in class. The easily accessible service network, along with that legendary warranty, cement the Sportage's reputation as a buy-it-and-forget-it family SUV. The Sportage is perfect for budget-minded families, commuters, and anyone searching for proven trouble-free transportation onto the next decade. Volkswagen Tiguan, the continental workhorse. Rounding out our top 8, the Volkswagen Tiguan brings Germanic solidity, restrained design, and a surprising amount of long-term reliability, especially in the 2025 update. Survey performance. The latest Tiguan receives high marks in both 2V and ADAC reports for mechanical reliability, thanks in part to VW's continuous refinement of engines and transmission options. Consumer Reports and J.D. Power also rate the Tiguan above the European class average for problem-free years 1 to 5. Technical focus. Volkswagen's MQB platform enables a flexible, robust architecture with improvements in rust prevention and electrical system quality since 2021. The mainstream petrol and diesel engines, free from overly complex hybridization in the baseline trims, translate to lower repair rates. User praise. Owners praise the Tiguan for practical uptime, sensible running costs, and an interior that ages well for a family SUV. The optional all-wheel drive system gets high marks for durability once annual servicing routines are followed. For buyers wanting a well-built all-rounder with pan-European support and proven reliability, the Tiguan is a steadfast contender. Strategic buying advice: reliability first. So, which 2025 SUV is right for you if reliability sits at the top of your checklist? Here's how to make the smartest choice and minimize unexpected costs. Prioritize naturally aspirated and proven hybrids. Across our entire list, the longest-lasting models almost always use either a well-vetted naturally aspirated engine or a refined hybrid system. These avoid the pitfalls of high-strung turbocharging unless proactively and strictly maintained. Warranty and service support. Lean towards brands offering 7 or more years of comprehensive warranty and widespread, responsive dealer networks. Think Toyota, Honda, Kia, and Hyundai. Regular preventive maintenance. All modern SUVs demand timely fluid and filter changes. Neglect leads to even the best-engineered SUVs suffering premature wear. Stay informed on recalls. Even the most reliable vehicles can be affected by software or supplier recalls. Register your VIN with the manufacturer and act immediately if any service campaigns arise. Consider total ownership costs. Don't get pulled in by a cheap sticker price. Measure expected longevity, resale values, and extended warranty coverage. The best SUVs of 2025 aren't defined by their touchscreen size or horsepower rating. They're the silent heroes that carry families, weather storms, and remain unfazed by the miles. Choose wisely, and the only time your SUV should ever surprise you is with how little trouble it gives, year after year. If you want to see more deep dives, buyer's guides, and real-world reviews, don't forget to subscribe to AutoConcept, your guide to the world's most dependable vehicles.